Welcome, in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Google application. Right there on the down right corner, tap to the More icon and go into the settings. Here you will see the voice section, just tap there and go to the voice match. As can you see, we just activated the Hey Google option, and if you want to turn it off, tap here once on the switcher and here click OK. And as can you see, we just deactivated the Hey Google option of Google Assistant in our XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.